How's it going, guys? Welcome back to a new video, and this is probably going out on New Year's Day, so Happy New Year. I wanted to get this last video done through 2022 because it is a big one. Judging by the title, you know that we finally got a set of tires for the Mk7 GTI to go on our Konig Lockout wheels. So quickly, some tire specs: 235, 40, 18. These are BF Goodrich G-Force Comp-2 all seasons. Yes, all seasons, because this is an all-season car. The tread on these is awesome. It's a really nice design, pretty simple wheel. Not the greatest all season, but it is an ultra performance all season tire. Ultra performance is kind of weird to say for an all season, but these should do the job year round while providing some fun. They're bigger, they're wider. So I don't want to waste any more time. I'm gonna load these up in the car, drop them off at the tire shop, get them mounted, and then we will jump back here to throwing them on the GTI. So super excited. Thanks so much for joining, guys. If this is the first video you're seeing in the new year, why don't you drop me a subscription down below? Let's get to 10,000 in 2023. Thanks so much for being here. Let's get on the road. I need to get a truck. It's full up in here, but we're on our way to the tire shop now. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. We'll see. We're on our way. This is super exciting. All right, well, I hope that the tire shop is open. I don't see anyone out there. I think it's open. It is open. Sick. Let's go. All right, tires are dropped off with the wheels. Said it shouldn't take too long. The little tire shop I go to, they're pretty good for basic things, just like mounting tires and things like that. I use them to mount my tires on the Miata, and it's been pretty fine. So hopefully they'll be done soon. There wasn't anybody else there in line, which is always great for the little small local shops. You don't have to wait like 5 hours like you would at like Discount Tire or something. So I'm a person who likes immediate results, and that is the quickest result I can get. Can't ask for more. 30 minutes in and out. Just gonna run an errand or two and hopefully be back and pick them up shortly. All right, back in the car. Tires and wheels are acquired. They're all mounted. Look great. So now we're just gonna go back to the garage and throw them on the car. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are. I'm so excited to see them. I know we did that wheel test fit and everything, but it's just different once you have tires. They look pretty meaty. These tires have a pretty thick sidewall. At least that's what it looks like. So I think they'll work out well. I'm excited. Here they are. Tires are all mounted up. They look good. Really excited to put these on the car. They look big in person, but they are the same spec that a lot of people run, so should be fine. I don't know too much about these tires. Otherwise, they had good reviews. They're an all season, like I said, ultra high performance or whatever you want to call it. So let's get the GTI pulled into the middle of the garage. I'm gonna just start taking off wheels and throw all these on. Alright guys, here it is. First side is on. I'm not going to film the other side because, I mean, you're seeing it right now. We're just going to go take some nice B-roll shots after this. But one thing I noticed is, so now that I'm not running spacers on the rear anymore, my lug nuts with the stud kit wouldn't seat the wheel all the way. So I'm going to have to order some shorter studs. I think the fronts will work. I'm gonna double check them, but for now, I am gonna put the old wheel nuts in, or wheel bolts. Yeah, I'm gonna put the old wheel bolts in the front like we have them on here. They're just temporary, but I'd rather have the wheels on with the old bolts than the wheels not on with these. So gonna do the other side, and then we'll go to the photo spot and take some photos. Alright guys, and that is going to be it for this video. GTI is back there. I hope you are just as excited about the new wheels as I am. It looks so good. I'm so happy. There's no rubbing, at least for now, on the drive over here. It just looks mean, and the tires look meaty, the wheels look aggressive, but also still like daily driven style, I guess you would say. I hope your new year is off to as good of a start as mine is. This is just so exciting to finally have this on. And stay tuned for more GTI content, more NC Miata content. I do all of this loving to see your comments, your views, your subscriptions, everything like that. Every time you guys interact with me, it just means so much to me. So thank you for joining in this video. Go down below, leave your comments, let me know what you think of the new wheels. So as always, stay tuned for more content. If you haven't already, go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.